chin-ups. Really, really good for putting emphasis on the long head of the bicep. You look to pull up as chin just goes over the level of the bar, and then back down till fully extended with those arms. A really, really great move that just emphasizes body weight. It is of high importance that you build an impressive set of arms. This is where the tricep pulldown comes in, as probably the most effective tricep move there is. Why? Because it hits all three heads of the tricep, which in turn leads to more size as well as definition. The tricep pushdown is an isolation movement, meaning that all focus is shifted onto a single joint movement, while then the overhead cable curl is what you want in your routine right now. Due to the pulling elements of the move, you will feel peak contraction on the biceps as the muscle group gets stretched under the load, which will lead to increased muscle hypertrophy and strength. Extension from the elbow is a big part of this move. Just like the close grip press, you can expect to work the long, lateral and medial head. Also a smart choice for shoulder mobility. Zone in on the triceps with the close grip bench press. The only difference here from a regular bench press is you are bringing your elbows close to the body, targeting the triceps, the back of the arm. The long, lateral and medial head of the tricep will all be worked here. A fantastic bicep move that is both challenging and rewarding. The added support from the pad ensures you can knock out extra few reps, possibly by squeezing the muscle on the way up to the top, while keeping the arm firmly planted.